How you doing? Previously on Backyard Central. Remember how all this stuff used to look, right? Beautiful. Love sunflowers. Bees are still coming out here and doing their thing in some of these, though. Don't want to disturb them. But we gotta get those seeds. Gotta get those seeds. These dang things dang near become bamboo. And they just get all stuck together. But each one of these pods I want to keep. And that's how I use the seeds for next year. Or rather, they will provide the seeds for next year. Beauty always fades. Nothing lasts forever. I'm telling you, this stuff is as thick as bamboo. Like, you can use this stuff for something else. You can use these as stakes for a potted plant or something. There's a little bit of seeds left on this one. Look at that death. That's crazy. Look at that. But that is still, there's still a lot of seeds on here. I'm just gonna collect them all. You can put them in the baggies. You could just let them direct sow on the ground, they'll grow back. You can see the different seeds in there. A lot of these look picked clean. This one's on the inside, the birds didn't get to so much, so this one looks healthy. Kinda heavy. Should have a lot of seeds in here. See if I can show you guys. Looking like. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Yeah, I had to mute that. Sorry. The sounds that I made, I don't think any grown man should ever make. It's not like I was it's not like I was scared or anything. I just had a maybe had an allergic reaction to it. Why was that there? Every day is a surprise. Look at this poor guy though. I'm sorry. I can't garden anymore though. I feel bad though. This poor guy. Look how big this fool is though. How did that just happen? Alright. Oh, there's so many seeds in here. I don't think I can continue though. I really don't think. I think I'm done for the day. There's so many seeds. Is there anything else? He's still going though. I'm sorry, dude. You're way too big though. Like what? I'm gonna have to figure some things out, all right? Because I can't be having my heart. It can't take this. Not today. Not ever. Like if I know it's there, if I knew it's there. What I definitely don't want is you crawling back into what I'm trying to do. Not touching you though. But this also makes me think, like, am I ever hurting things in here? Is there just colonies of things that I'm just throwing into the compost? I need to go take a pill. I'm scared. He's scared. And can you imagine being this small in giants? Like, there's no reason that I should be. I said scared. That's the wrong term I'm looking for. I don't see any more, but by the size, it's probably a she. She ain't going anywhere. Is she okay? Now I feel bad. But I can't do this. I can't do this today. I just want to make sure there ain't nothing else is gonna pop up. Realistically, there should be nothing within a 2-foot radius to this because if she's here, ain't nothing else gonna be here, right? Right? Man. Ooh, only in my garden. Yeah, she's extra large. I can't today. I think I'm done. I had a whole thing planned out for this. I'm leaving these seeds. I'm dropping everything. I'm going back inside. I'm backing it up. Not today. No Let's Grow today. Goodbye.